Today, we want to share with you some amazing home remedies that can help you say goodbye to those pesky under-eye bags, dark circles, and fine lines. Forget about expensive creams and lotions. We're going to use simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. The first ingredient we're going to talk about is coffee. Now, many of us love our daily cup of joe, but did you know that coffee can also work wonders for your skin? Coffee contains caffeine, which is a fantastic ingredient for skincare. It helps protect our skin cells against UV radiation and slows down the aging process caused by the sun. Not only that, caffeine also tightens the skin, reduces puffiness, and fights those pesky free radicals. But how do we use coffee for our under-eye concerns? Well, it's simple. You'll need 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds. It's best to use unused grounds as they contain the most caffeine, but if you've just brewed a fresh pot, you can still use the used grounds. Take 1 egg white and combine it with the coffee grounds in a small bowl. Mix them together until you get a frothy mixture. Now comes the fun part. With clean hands or a brush, apply the mask you've just made around and under your eyes. Be gentle and make sure to avoid getting it into your eyes. Then, sit back and relax for about 10 minutes. You'll start to feel a tightening sensation as the mask dries. After the 10 minutes are up, take a wet washcloth and gently wipe off the mask. You'll notice an immediate difference in the appearance of your under-eye area. But we're not done yet. It's important to moisturize the skin to keep it hydrated and nourished. We recommend using a good quality moisturizer or, for a more natural option, extra virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil has fantastic healing properties that can benefit your skin. Now, let's talk about consistency. For best results, we recommend using this mask daily. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Stick to the routine, and you'll start seeing great results within a short period of time. We hope you find these tips helpful in your quest for beautiful, radiant under eyes. Remember to share this information with your friends and family so they can benefit from it too. Leave your comments below and let us know how this remedy works for you. Thank you for watching, and most importantly, take care of yourself and make it a great day.